Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and tonight we're going to be talking about Crypto.com. I have a 2025 price prediction for you guys here, and I'm also going to go through why I believe that the market is going up today and CRO is seeing some price gains for the day. Why is crypto jumping up today? And what is the price of CRO going to be in 2025? We're going to go over that and more in today's video. I'll also talk about some of the big theories here that I've been having for Crypto.com as of late. If you like the content, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, feel free to hit the notification bell. I've got 3 videos coming to you guys every single day. So if you're interested in Crypto.com, some of these other coins that we talk about, always Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some other alts in the market, then follow the channel. If you like free money, take advantage of the link in the description down below. You got $4,100 bonus when you sign up for FeeMax. Let's take a peek at the charts, though. So, peeking at the market cap for the day, we're at $1.15 trillion for crypto markets, and Bitcoin is pumping here today at 24.3, and Ethereum is soaring, hitting a huge $1,883. Let's refresh the page to make sure these prices are current. 1,884. So absolutely huge pump for Ethereum, and Crypto.com and FTX are just, pumping a little bit as well. So why are we going up today? Well, because today's inflation report was pretty good for the Federal Reserve. What today's inflation report basically showed is that, inflation is kind of cooling off a little bit. And this is really great to see. New York Times is a very reliable source. So the markets felt a little bit of relief today. And Coindesk even reported that U.S. inflation has slowed to 8.5% in July, which is great. And they're trying to get it down to 2%. So we still have ways to go. This is the CPI report that came out today. And so Bitcoin jumped. And they talk a little bit about this in this article. But Ethereum, again, look, Bitcoin jumped 2% today, Ethereum 7%. At one point, I saw a little bit more than that, but really great move here. If you're buying Ethereum, you got to be pretty happy. If you're buying Bitcoin and CRO, you got to be pretty happy. We're having a recovery. So that's pretty good to see. And when you look at this story, this probably helped the markets today too. Bitcoin rallied as inflation slows. That's one story. The other story is Coinbase's CFO explains, and that's the Chief Finance Officer explains his $1.1 billion loss. And basically, it's a bear market, guys. That's all it is. So any story bashing Coinbase, it's FUD. Meanwhile, FTX and Crypto.com have been absolutely rapidly growing and gaining users. Crypto.com is above 50 million users now. Binance currently has 90 million users. FTX is growing massively as well. There's chains on Binance Smart Chain. You've got Cronos chain. There's so many different things going on with these projects, and these are strong projects. And Coinbase is also very, very strong. They have a lot of Bitcoin. They're doing just fine. And so this story probably helped the markets today as well. But, we are due for some upward movement. We've been due for some upward movement in these markets for a while, and we've been getting it lately, which is pretty exciting to see. And I did anticipate that we could see a $30,000 Bitcoin in the month of August. I do think it's possible, but we might not be out of the woods yet. But here's a good question. So what kind of price prediction do I expect for 2025 for Crypto.com? Well, here's a cool article I saw from the Crypto.com CEO. He came out and he spoke today on CNBC, and he's very, very bullish. The crypto industry will come back very strongly, he says. And this is always the same picture of Chris Marszalek, by the way. I feel like it's always the same picture of him. Anyway, and he went on CNBC here, and he was sporting his Crypto.com shirt. And I highly encourage you to watch this article, look at this article, and watch this video. He goes on to talk about all the advertising that they've been doing and all the acquisitions that they've been doing. And CNBC hosts were actually asking him about his acquisitions. So they're growing, and he's ready to share that. And, that's great. Very, very exciting to see him talk about these acquisitions because they just got the ability to expand into South Korean markets. They acquired 2 companies, and this is going to really help them out in furthering the adoption. So what price could CRO go to? I firmly believe that by the year 2025, which is basically in the peak of the next bull market, we could easily see a $4 to $5 CRO. I'm going to say at the high end, CRO could go to $5. And that would be happening basically if CRO, and I explained this in another video, was half the value of Binance, which I think it's at least half as good, then if Binance's peak from the 2020 bull market was $109 billion, and that doubles, and it's $220 billion, and CRO is half as valuable at $110 billion market cap, well, then you would basically have, with a $4 billion market cap today, you'd have like a 30-something X on your money. You'd get to about a $5 CRO, and if you had 200,000 CRO, you'd be a millionaire. So if you could get 200,000 CRO, you could be a millionaire if CRO goes to $5 in 2025 and you got 200,000 tokens. So I do believe it's possible. I don't see a 2x on Binance's all-time high from the previous bull market to be that out of the question, because when you look at what it did, again, it was at $109 billion. That's just a 2x from the all-time high of the previous cycle. And then CRO needs to perform very well, obviously, and gain some ground on BNB. But as we showed in the other video about user growth, they're doing that, and it's really, really exciting, guys. So that's all I got. Keep an eye out for some $5 CRO down the stretch. Hey, if it doesn't happen in 2025, then I'm very confident it'll happen in the future. As always, this is not financial advice, but I'm just bringing you guys my thoughts on some of the projects that I like in crypto as a whole. That's all I got in today's video. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel. And as always, guys, you gotta remember to DCA, hodl, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.